Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Math with Sir Kiko. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss the divisibility rule of 3, 6, and 9. This would be the grade 5 quarter 2 week number 8. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's go. Now, this would be the quarter 2 week number 8. Identify and state the divisibility rule of 3, 6, and 9. Day number 2. The learning competency. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify and state the divisibility rule of 3, 6, and 9. Now, the divisibility rule of 3. First, we're going to, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Again, focusing on the sum, meaning to say you're going to add sum of the digits. Sum of the digits meaning to say you're going to add. For example, we have number 1, 24. You're going to add 2 plus 4. The answer is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this is a divisible by 3. Okay? So, I hope you already know, no? So, again, you're going to add the digits. 2 plus 4, 24, 2 plus 4, the answer is 6. Then 6 is divisible by 3. Okay? Next, we have example number 2. The given example is 45. You're going to add because we're going to find the sum of the digits. 4 plus 5, the answer is 9. Is it 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. Okay? 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the answer is divisible by 3. Okay? Next, number 3. 69. Is it 69 as the sum divisible by 3? Let's take a look. So, 6 plus 9, the answer is 15. Is it 15 is divisible by 3? By skip counting, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Therefore, 15 is divisible by 3. So, therefore, it is divisible by 3. Next, we have example number 4. We have 3-digit number, 351. Again, you're going to find the sum of the digits. So, we have 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1. The answer is 9. Is it 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. Very good. So, the answer is divisible by 3. Next, we have example number 5. 472. Let's take a look if the sum is divisible by 3. 4 plus 7 plus 2, the answer is 13. Is 13 is divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 472 is not divisible by 3. Okay, next, let's proceed to the divisibility rule of 6. Okay, so the rule is a number is divisible by 6 if it's divisible by 2 and 3. Again, the rule in divisibility rule of 2, if the last digit is an even number. Again, so we already discussed it in our previous lesson. The number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is an even number. And then, if it's divisible by 3, if the sum of the all digit is divisible by 3. Now, if the condition of divisibility rule of 6 must be divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. Now, let's have some example. 24. The rule is to find if it's divisible by 2 and is divisible by 3. So, as you can see in our example, 24 is divisible by 2. Why? Because the last digit is an even number. Check. Then, divisible by 3? Yes, because the sum 2 plus 4, the answer is 6. Therefore, it is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. Okay? Next, we have example number 2. The question is 62. Is 62 divisible by 2? Yes. Is 62 divisible by 3? No. Therefore, not satisfying the condition that we need to have a divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Therefore, the answer is not divisible by 6 because we only have condition that divisible by 2 only but not divisible by 3. Okay? Next, we have another example to further analyze the divisibility rule of 6. 186. Now, take a look. It is divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digit is even number. Therefore, the answer is divisible by 2. Next, it is divisible by 3. Let's take a look. 1 plus 8, the answer is 9. 9 plus 6, the answer is 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes, the answer is correct. So therefore, satisfying the condition that 2 and 3 is divisible by 186. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. Next, we have example number 4. 78. Is 78 is divisible by 6? Let's take a look. Is divisible by 2? Check. It's divisible by 3? Check also. Because the sum of 7 plus 8, the answer is 15. 15 is divisible by 2. Therefore, the answer is divisible by 6. And then we have example number 5. The question is 826. Is 826 is divisible by 6? Let's take a look. It is divisible by 2? Correct, because the last digit is 6. It is an even number. And then we have divisibility rule of 6. Let's take a look at 3. Let's take a look. We have 8 plus 2. The answer is 10. Plus 6. The answer is 16. Is 16 divisible by 3? No. Therefore, it's not satisfying the condition that we need to have a divisibility rule of 2 and 3 to become a divisible of 6. Therefore, this would be not divisible by 2. Not divisible by not divisible by 6. Okay? Not divisible by 6 because it's not satisfying the condition that we need to have the divisibility rule of 2 and 3. Okay? Next question. Now, let's proceed to divisibility rule of 9. So, a rule is a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all digits is divisible by 9. Same rule with divisibility rule of 3. You need to add all the digit, and if the sum is divisible by 3, this will be divisible by 3. Same rule with the divisibility rule of 9. You need to get the sum of all digits, and if the sum is divisible by 9, therefore this should be divisible by 9. Let's have some example. 36. Is 36 divisible by 9? Let's take a look. 3 plus 6, the answer is 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Simple as that. Therefore, divisible by 9. We have example number 2. We have 729. Let's take a sum of all digits. 7 plus 2 plus 9, the answer is 18. Is 18 is divisible by 9? Yes. Therefore, this should be divisible by 9. And then we have example number 3. Is 68 is divisible by 9? Let's take a look. 6 plus 8, the answer is 14. Is 14 is divisible by 9? No. Therefore, 14 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, this should be not divisible by 9. And then, in conclusion, a divisibility rule of 3, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. And then, number 2, the divisibility rule of 6, you must satisfy the condition that it is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3, not this one. And then for divisibility rule of 9, if the sum of all digits is divisible by 9. Now, let's have some guided practice. Foot check if it's divisible by 3, 6, and 9 of the following number, and X if it's not. Okay, for number 3, number 1, we have 3. It's divisible by 3. Let's take a look. 2 plus 3 plus 7. The answer is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. It's divisible by 6? Yes, also, because the last digit is even and also it's divisible by 3. And it's divisible by 9? Yes, also. Okay? Because the sum of all digits is 9 divisible by 9. For number 2, we have 318. 3 plus 1 plus 8, the answer is 12. Is 12 is divisible by 3? Yes. And then it's divisible by 6? Yes, because the last digit is even number and also divisible by 3. And then if it's divisible by 9? No. Okay, because the sum is 12 and 12 is not divisible by 9. And then we have number 3, 490 450 is divisible by 3. Yes. It's divisible by 6. Yes, also. And it's divisible by 9. Yes. And then for number 4, we have 729. 7 plus 2 plus 9. The answer is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. And then the last digit is 9. This should be not an even number. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. And then, so 7 plus 2 plus 9, the answer is 18. It's divisible by 9. And then we have number 5. 1 plus 2 plus 4, the answer is 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. And then, it is divisible by 6? No, because it's not divisible by 3, but it's an even number. Take note, the rule is you need to have satisfy the condition that it is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. And then, for 9, 1 plus 2 plus 4, the answer is 7. Therefore, 7 is not divisible by 9. So, I hope you already know how to identify the divisibility rule. So, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. And then, so a number is divisible by 6 if it's divisible by 2 and 3. And then, a number is divisible by 9, the sum of all digits is divisible by 9. And then, for your practice your skills, try to comment down your answer in the comment section. Number 1. Which of the following number is divisible by 3? Number 2, a number is divisible by 6 if it's... Okay, next, number 3, it is 234 divisible by 9? Number 4, what is the rule of divisibility rule by 3? And for number 5, which of the following is divisible by 6? So that's it for today. Thank you and God bless everyone.